welcome back to the channel, guys. On some positive news, Jamaica's Michail has been nominated for Concacaf Male Player of the Year. He is in a short list of 5 players. The 5 players are, like I said, Michail of Jamaica, that represents Westham in the English Premier League. You have Jonathan David of Canada, from Lille in France, champions of France. Alphonso Davis of Canada, also from FC Bayern Munich of Germany. Irving Lozano from Napoli in Italy. Weston McKennie of Juventus in Italy also. Christian Pulisic of Chelsea in the English Premier League are the male nominees. There are also female nominees, and these are Crystal Dunn of the USA, Jessie Fleming of Canada, Lindsay Horan of the USA, Stephanie Lab of Canada, or Labe. Then you have another Stephanie Mayer of Mexico, and Christine Sinclair of Canada. Those are the female nominees. But congratulations to our reggae boy Michail Antonio. The Jamaica Observer says only one Jamaican has been shortlisted for the Concacaf newly created Women's and Men's Player of the Year award. The Inform reggae boy Michail Antonio has been named among 5 other players in the men's section, and 6 women have separately been shortlisted for the award. A prolific scorer for his English club Westham, Antonio joined the Reggae Boyz last year for their now failed World Cup campaign. However, his individual brilliance was not enough to prevent the boys from crashing out of the 8-team tournament. The ultimate winners in the 2 categories will be decided by the voters of national team head coaches and captains, the media, and fans. Fan voting is now open via concacaf.com. So you hear that, guys? Go out there and get your votes in for Antonio. Concacaf has advised that the 2021 nominees were selected based on performance statistics and voting by experts panels consisting of former professional men's and women's players and football broadcasters. So to be eligible to be on the shortlist for these awards, all players have to have met one of the following criteria: have played for a CONCACAF member association senior men's or women's national team, and played in a CONCACAF and FIFA competitions and matches, all right? Regardless of nationality, played for a club in 2021 in CONCACAF and FIFA sanctions top division, men's and women's professional league. All right, guys, so there you have it. Congratulations. Hopefully we can get some votes in there. I know I will be going to the website to cast my vote for Michail Antonio. I advise that if you're a reggae boy fan, that you do the same. Alright, remember, stay tuned, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.